Today, as we practice entering the silence, we're going to practice the four-fingered prayer. For this prayer, you'll choose one word or four words. If we're entering the silence in church, you can listen carefully to the reading from the Bible and notice what word stands out. For today, we're going to use the four words, God is with me. As we enter the silence, we're going to press our fingertips together and repeat those words in our mind. God is with me. God is with me. God is with us.
Now let's try it together. When the bowl bells ring, we'll enter the silence for 1 minute.
Amen. Go in peace.